Hello, how are you doing? I am following a YouTube video for a 5-minute wizard, and I forgot to put my glove on, and I've now put it on. This video is from Alec Lacasse art. I will link the video in the description. So here I am starting to shape the hat of thy wizard. I've sped this up a fair amount. The video 5-minute wizard, it took me about 2 hours. But I'm a beginner and I enjoyed every minute of it, and I actually sat in the garden to do this. Which is not like me, in all fairness. Especially not on my own. Because I get quite anxious, but you know. It was quite warm, so I just thought, well, let's sit outside and the mess can stay outside. Oh dear. Um, I find this knife I have to sharpen it a lot. I don't know if it's the way I'm using it or I'm not sharpening it properly. But we get there in the end. So how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. The piece Basswood I'm using is square. I know it's oblong, but the actual width and that is square. And in the video, I'm using for reference is like a triangle. It's long, but it's triangular. So this could be why it took me longer. And my arm is aching, which is why I changed the way I was holding the knife. I can't remember what this knife is called. I kind of try and do it like by memory because I watched it before starting this. So what I've done is in a different order to the reference video. Even though the guy's, is it Alec? He says it's like stupidly easy. Um, it's not too bad. It's okay to do. It's just it's not 5 minutes. Not for me anyway. So I think this bit here I should have done before shaping the rest of the hat. But hey ho. So now I'm going to shape in the nose. I had a little panic then because I thought I did it wrong. But I suppose there's no right or wrong way, is there? You just create your own version, I guess. I think there's a bit where I chop like the wrong bit of the nose off, and I kind of just like nearly give up. But luckily my the wood is thicker, so I could um, reshape it, if you know what I mean. Sorry, I got lost in my thoughts there. So I'm trying to like shape some eyes in, though you don't actually see their eyes. Um, it looks like I'm really digging hard into the wood. I'm not. My forearms are a little bit weak, so it looks like I'm really going the wood, but it's just because my arms are not as strong as others. So I've got a nice shape to that nose there. Oh, I've disappeared off the camera. Oh, I'm going to get an Oscar one day for that fantastic filming. So here I'm shaping the eyes. Oh dear. I can't remember what these cuts are called, sorry. So I'm kind of going along with this, then I'm going back to the video to watch like the next part coming back, you know. Defo gonna get an Oscar. I don't know. I do apologise. I found this eye a bit awkward to do, to be fair. So I've just drawn some lines now for the, like the, in between the beard and the, like the cheeks. I want to say this is point cutting, but that's hairdressing, isn't it? So it's not that. Is it a stop cut? I think it is. That was a neighbour's dog. My apologies. Starting to see his face a bit here. I'm just shaping his cheeks now. I do love doing this whittling. It it really focuses my brain and stops me thinking about stuff and worrying about things for the time I'm doing it, you know? So yeah, very good for mental health. So I'm shaping his moustache. Oh dear. I can't remember the size this would, to be fair. I think it's about 3 inches by kind of 1, I think. And shaping his beard now. Thank you to all my subscribers, you're all amazing. Thank you for watching my videos, I really do appreciate it, more than you'll ever know. So I just keep taking little bits of the wood off until I'm happy, basically. I know people keep saying to me, no, you use the Dremel. I'm a bit scared. Maybe next time I'll try. But I quite like using the knives, to be honest. I'm not a fan of this knife, in all fairness. So using some Danish oil now to varnish or oil the my little wizard, and I'm made up with him. I think he looks ace, but you know, everyone's different what they like, can't they? So I do put a fair few coats on this little guy. It like all soaks in, and he's like faded a bit now, so I might slap some more on. So here he is. I think he's a bit cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Well, thank you for watching. You're all amazing. Look after yourselves. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.